What's this?
Straight pipe.
And how much did that cost?
£6 bill.
Don't lie.
Yeah.
So how do you get it past an MOT?
Your mechanic?
Shut the up! Oh, cheeky. Where was the MOT test station? We'll check that shit. Where was it? Bradford.
No.
Roadville Road.
You know your mechanic has got another shop.
Off, no, our mechanic. Who do you pay for it?
Your
Obviously. The ones that keep shutting down and reopening as different people.
That's our job done, innit?
How many miles it done, really?
74.
What engine is it?
1.4 petrol. But it's got to be less than a 2 litre.
Yeah.
Petrol.
For insurance?
And then what's better on my insurance? About 2.5 years ago, around 50,000 miles. One owner before me. It was fine before though.
After you?
Yeah, after
After you double clutching it, is that straight pipe that does it all, doesn't it?
got me 7 points that straight pipe.
Yeah. 7 points. People usually get 3 or 6.
Yeah.
You're getting 7. You're
That's
lucky
what my
guy,
sister said
mate.
as well.
For what?
That's the longest story. I have to put the challenge for that.
It's alright, we've got it, don't worry about it.
What do you think of the car?
Nice car.
Nice car.
I hope you bought it if you're sitting on it.
He has.
Has it got straight pipe dodgy MOT on it as well?
No.
The only thing that was a bit iffy about this car was the white on the rims.
That's what I said to him, you know. He said he likes the white.
Yeah, but see, loads of people have come in and said, yeah, do you know what, I like it. I was surprised, you know. It was quite 50-50. I thought no one would like it. Your brothers? I thought you were brothers. You're the younger one, innit?
Nah, I can't be doing that to him.
What?
He's got 4 years on me.
Is he genuinely?
Yeah.
He's got better hair, though.
He's only there, bro.
What do you mean?
No one was here yesterday.
Oh, were you the guy that was coming down getting really impatient?
No, I was looking around, no one was here, and then he seen me, and then
So he was on a day. What are you doing taking a day off? Algerians, mate, they don't really work very hard nowadays, do they? That's the thing. Nah, nice to meet you, man. Do you want a drink or anything, lads? Or not?
I just had to.
Sorted.
Okay, thank you.
You need to bring us a box of Matai when you take it.
Hello, you just paid you 26.
Yeah, but it's your cushy, innit? So you've just bought it, you're supposed to share it with everyone. Fake G-Wagon, innit?
Fake.
Yeah? Diesel.
Diesel. I wouldn't say it's fake. It's more of
Economical.
economical. That's the word.
That's the
Fuel
one.
efficient. I think 75 is a good price.
No way. God loves a tire.
80.
55. So what do you do?
So I do detailing, so paint corrections, ceramic coatings, and maintenance washing.
I hate you because they all call, oh, it's been ceramic coated, bro. Give us an extra grand. How much do you charge?
It starts off at £300 and the coating lasts about 3 years. It can go all the way up to about £900 to £1,000 when you're doing paint corrections and stuff like that.
Is this yours?
Yes, my dad's car.
Your dad's?
Not mine. I wish it was mine.
think?
I'm not allowed anywhere near it.
Why? Just unless you're working on it?
Yeah, to be honest, yeah, that's the only time I get to see the car. It doesn't get driven.
Yeah.
He's got no time to drive it. So it's hardly driven it. So he's not even had time to enjoy it or to be able to take in the fact that he's got this car.
Fake G-Wagon, innit?
Fake.
Yeah? Diesel.
Diesel. I wouldn't say it's fake. It's more of
Economical.
economical. That's the word.
That's the
Fuel
one.
efficient. 17 plate, 30-something thousand miles.
Yeah.
Lower 30s.
Wow.
It's got the factory Magno paint, which is an optional extra. It's got the Magno night package, so you get the black bumpers, arches, side skirts, front bumper. It's got upgraded 22-inch alloys, I believe, with floating centre caps.
It's nice, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cool.
It makes the car stand out a bit.
And explain the floating centre caps to people who don't know.
When you're driving, they'll stay that way. Exhaust.
Everyone who's got OCD is like, yay!
It's one of them. When you start moving slowly, they rock slightly.
Yeah.
But once you pick up speed, you hit about 30 miles an hour, they stabilise.
I actually like the colour seats.
Yeah,
I just
the
don't like it on
seats,
here. You know,
yeah.
like it by the red seat belts.
I don't know.
A bit 50-50 on
A
them.
bit 50-50.
Same.
The only way I can justify it is it matches the needles on there. That's the only way I justify it. The floor mats are nice. That's one thing I like about them. They're plush and they've got the leather trim around them. That's also optional extra. It's got heated and cooled seats. And one thing it has got, which I didn't notice until about last week, is it's got a heated steering wheel. Didn't notice that. that's
Heated
all.
seats in the rear as well.
Yeah, heated seats in the rear. It's got the Harman Kardon sound system. Full service history.
Why have you just appeared?
I don't know.
Are you feeling missed out?
No, I was just stood there and then the camera came round,
Do
so
you want to sit in the boot?
happily.
Are you wanting to... What do you do? You're not a detailer, are you?
No, I'm his personal taxi driver.
Have you not got a driving licence?
Nah, he's my chauffeur.
Yeah, pretty much.
But he's not on the books. He doesn't get paid at all.
What are you wanting?
It's as close to 70 as possible.
And how have you got to that price?
Other examples on Auto Trader, they are slightly older, going for 68.
The thing is, they're not selling though, they're advertised.
That's why we're saying we want as close to as possible.
Ooh.
Given the spec and what it's got going for it,
Good
the road
answer that, wasn't
presence, that's what we're asking for. It's got the full facelift kit, which is front grills,
Yep.
headlights, bumpers, bonnets, the upgraded LED side markers, indicators. It's got the new wing mirrors, got the G63 style exhaust, the wider arches, the G63 style rear bumper with the facelift tail lights. It changes the car.
That is the car, yeah.
I've seen the Brabus one that you've got in there, which is the pre-facelift.
Yeah.
And it doesn't look anywhere near as good as, let's say, your newer Brabus model.
He's not wrong though, is he? He's not wrong. I'm just thinking what to
Have I
say.
just done you over there?
No, you've not done me over because I'm going to do you over when I give you the price.
Oh dear.
So what do you want?
It's close to 70.
55. It's still old underneath it.
Not really. It's got 17 on the plate.
Yeah, next year it'll be 10 years old.
Yeah, so we're in 2026, so it's 9 years old, not 10.
I'm just saying in a
Okay, so-
year, 6 months it'll be
Yeah,
10
so I think
years old.
75 is a good price.
No way. No way. God loves a trier.
80.
God loves a trier. Go on.
68.
55 is a good bid.
Bump it up a bit.
56.
Add 10 on top.
60. Very happy.
Very happy.
So you're happy.
I'm very happy. I'm over the moon.
Funny guy, bro.